American Sign Language is a gift. It is the language of the deaf community. ASL as a language is fully developed, autonomous, natural, and has its own distinct grammar, syntax, and art form. ASL is a key marker of the deaf community, as well as made by and for the deaf community. ASL is considered to be the most accessible language for deaf people because of its visual properties. Therefore, this language not only provides deaf people 100% access to information, but it also empowers deaf people to communicate freely and to make sense of the world. ASL, just like all other languages, possess phonology, morphology, syntax, and discourse. It also uniquely prioritizes the need for every sign to always follow the 5 parameters, which are hand shape, location, palm orientation, movement, and non-manual markers. Clear visibility, ease of production, and the requirements of the body also come into play for ASL. ASL is a visual literature, meaning stories are preserved and passed down from generation to generation by the act of sign storytelling instead of being spoken or written down. Within the realm of literature, there is ASL literature, which is specifically related to language and is composed of poetry, storytelling, folklore, and etc. This differs from deaf literature, which could be written in English, but the topic is most often about being deaf, a deaf experience, inner character, or a story written by a deaf person. Deaf individuals are a part of every form of art. There are deaf artists, there is a deaf presence on Broadway, in the theater, and in films. Also, there is deaf view/image art, also known as DEVIA, which examines and expresses the deaf experience from a cultural, linguistic, and intersectional point of view. Deaf art is known for its imagery of signing, hand shapes, eyes, and cultural issues that are the focus of the deaf artist's work. DEVIA represents deaf artists and perceptions based on their deaf experiences. DEVIA is created when the artist wants to express their deaf experience through visual art. It could also be created by deafened or hearing artists if their intentions for their work is centered on deaf experience, for instance, codas. This differs from deaf artists which use any form of media or subject matter and are held to the same standards of other artists. For more than 100 years, ASL was characterized as a crude system of gestures. It was thought to be something less than a real language, both by hearing people who did not have a clue how it worked and by deaf people who utilized it daily. As stated in the textbook, it wasn't until the mid-20th century that linguists Stoke, Kronberg, and Casterline, and later Luigi and Kilma, found that ASL actually did have all the elements required of a real language. Also, ASL is not only a language, but a form of communication that deaf individuals use to create things that give information about their culture, which helps benefit the world.